How to create an additional web disk account in cPanel. WebDisk allows you to use an encrypted connection, and it is the most secure way of file transfer in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click on the web disk icon. Here, the main web disk account uses the cPanel's user and login ID, and you may need to give the account's login details to other users of the domain. You can create an additional web disk account and give it to other users. Now enter a username for web disk account and select a domain. You can enter a password and confirm it by typing it again, or you can use the password generator. To generate a password, click on Password Generator. Now copy and save the generated password in a secure place. After saving the password, now click on checkbox and then click on Use Password. It automatically fills the generated password, which is very strong. You can enter a directory for the web disk account to use. You can limit the access of the user to a particular folder by entering a directory here. The system already suggests one directory for you. You can permit to review, download and alter the contents of the directory by selecting the Read-Write option box. By selecting Read-Only option box, you can prevent the user from making changes in the existing content of the directory. This is important if you want the user only to read and download the data and do not alter it. If you are using the Windows operating system, you will need to mark Enabled Digest Authentication. However, if the server has an authentic SSL certificate and you can make an SSL connection, you can leave it disabled. Now click on the Create button. That's it, we have successfully created the web disk account. Thank you for watching.